BLNE stock analysis and BLNE stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 46,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially where we're sitting at. This thing just began pumping. Like, I'm going to tell you this. I was correct on this one and then was really looking to take it out, but I immediately got freaking reversed. So that's a -1R. Well, in other words, a loss. And since now we're kind of all over the place, it's definitely kind of tricky for me to immediately start buying, which is obviously not what I'm going to do. But if I do somehow see the price pulling down, giving me a double break, then and only then I would look to buy. Everything else other than that would just rather be noise though. So I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. All I'm doing in the meantime here is waiting. So if you do want to stay tuned, if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.